Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change the upload date of a file on Google Drive. If you've ever wanted to refresh a file's upload timestamp, this simple trick will help you do it in just a few steps. The easiest and most effective way to change your Google Drive upload date is by downloading the file to your computer, deleting the original file from your Google Drive, and then re-uploading it. Once you upload the file again, Google Drive automatically assigns it a brand new upload timestamp. This process is completely safe, doesn't require any special tools or browser extensions, and takes only a few moments. Just make sure to delete the old version of the file after downloading it, so you don't end up with duplicate copies. It's important to understand that Google Drive stores the upload date as part of a file's metadata, which helps with tracking and version control. That's why re-uploading the file is the only reliable way to update or refresh that timestamp. And that's it. That's how you can easily change the upload date of any file on Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more quick and useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.